Hey guys, Brian Johnson here with Johnson Arms. Wanted to bring you another finished up commission here. This is a full Longshot that was done for Oakley. They wanted kind of a militaristic looking and semi-futuristic looking gun. And this was the results. As you can see on the grips there, we did custom texture. And I removed the front bipod and made a few other changes on it. But mainly it was the paint and the decals and just all the detail and everything that went into it. The scope's from a nitron, which is cool because it's got that kind of greenish glow to it. And hope they'll be happy with it. I wanted to give you guys a chance to see it before it shipped out. So, thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for more.